Welcome to the Bobcat Planer Attachment Operator Training Course. During the next few minutes, we will demonstrate how safe and efficient operation of your Bobcat planer attachment will help make you more productive. It is vital that you and everyone who operates this attachment understand proper attachment operation. You must recognize situations that, if not avoided, could result in an accident, injuring yourself or someone working with you, or cause property or equipment damage. To attach the Bobcat planer to the loader, connect the Bobtach to the planer mounting frame. Now, as you shut the engine off, turn the key switch quickly to the left, counterclockwise, past the off position. Hold the key in this position for approximately 5 seconds after the engine comes to a complete stop. This relieves any hydraulic pressure trapped in the auxiliary circuit that could make it difficult to connect the couplers together. Exit the loader and make sure the Bobtach levers are fully locked down with the wedges extending through the attachment mounting holes. If they are not, the attachment could come off during operation and cause injury or death. Now, connect the hoses, including the case drain hose. The case drain hose must be properly connected to prevent planer drive motor damage. Proper hydraulic hose routings are important to prevent damage to the hose. Remember that hydraulic fluid, tubes, fittings, and quick couplers get hot when operating the loader. The Bobcat planer is a very powerful milling tool for your Bobcat loader. Becoming a proficient planer operator takes knowledge, skill, and good judgment. You should know your planer inside and out. Be that operator.